Race, it's an idea that has shaped societies, sparked conflict, and influenced power dynamics around the world. But what if race, as we know it, isn't rooted in biology? What if it's simply a social construct, a concept created by human societies? And if that's true, what does it mean for our shared human experience? To understand race, we have to go back to its origins. During the Age of Exploration, European colonial powers sought to categorize the diverse people they encountered. Over time, this led to pseudo-scientific classifications that assigned worth and intelligence based on appearance, justifying slavery, conquest, and exploitation. Figures like Linnaeus and Blumenbach used physical features, skin color, cranial measurements, to define distinct races. But science has since disproven this concept. Modern genetics shows us that humans share about 99.9% of the same DNA. That remaining 0.1%? It's shaped by factors like geographic location and environmental adaptation, not race. In fact, there's more genetic variation within so-called racial groups than between them. Skin color, hair type, and other physical traits are simply adaptations to environmental conditions, responses to factors like UV radiation, not indicators of distinct biological races. Still, while race lacks a biological basis, it has real social effects. It's a powerful social construct that influences how we perceive ourselves and others. Racial categories have been used to privilege certain groups while marginalizing others. Systems of education, justice, and employment are deeply embedded in these constructs, perpetuating inequality. But beneath this construct, a truth is waiting: the interconnectedness of humanity. Genetically, culturally, and historically, we are all deeply linked. Humanity's origins trace back to Africa, where early Homo sapiens began to migrate, developing unique cultures and traditions as they adapted to new environments. These migrations formed a vast web of shared experiences and influences. As we look at today's world, filled with challenges like climate change, economic inequality, and global health crises, it's clear we need unity more than ever. Movements like Black Lives Matter and climate justice remind us that our struggles are shared, that global cooperation can help heal deep divisions. Imagine if we embraced our shared humanity in education, teaching future generations that race is a myth and diversity is strength. Through intercultural understanding, empathy, and international collaboration, we can create a world that values and celebrates our differences. Race is a construct, a human invention. But our shared humanity is a powerful reality. Through science, history, and cultural exchange, we can see that our differences are minimal, while our connections are profound. It's time to build a future where the myth of race no longer divides us. Let's come together to challenge these constructs and embrace our interconnectedness. Only then can we create a world rooted in equality, cultural richness, and global solidarity.